In this video, I'm going to give you an idea how to start a drawing, and I'm going to use this drawing as an example. Normally, what I would do to start a drawing is to create a horizontal line and a vertical line first. So I would draw a horizontal line here and then a vertical line here. This will take care of this line and that line together. And then I'm going to use the offset command to draw this line with the 5-inch space. So I'm going to use the offset, copy this line. So I'm copying this line over here, 5-inch. And same thing, I'm going to copy this line up 4-inch. Something like that. And then I can use the extend or the trim to extend the line that I want or delete the line that I don't want. So I can use the trim command to clean this area, so this will be a sharp corner. For this too, there are a couple ways to do it. Either I move this line up and then I do the extend, or I use the fillet command that put a 0-inch radius for for fillets. That then this will bring these two together. And you can either move this over or move this over. So there's many ways to complete it. So the end goal is to make sure they are touching. Something like this. Now, I can start by drawing this point, and this point is 2-inch from the right. So I can use an offset command from this offset to here. And I can extend it so that it goes to here, and then I can draw a line, this line. I can draw this line. There's no length in here, but what you can do is to make an extra long, make it 3-inch, 4-inch, it doesn't matter. And then with an angle -30 to create this line, and eventually you can trim it. And same thing, you can trim this. And then at the end you can delete that. So I'm going to delete this. Actually, let me make it more proportional. So I have this here, this here, and then that 2-inch spacing, it will be something like this. And then for this line, so this is done. And this line, all I have to do is to offset this 2-inch up. And I will do it something like this, to offset this 2-inch up. And then I do the extension so that it will go all the way to here. And because this is 1/2-inch to the right, from here to the right, 1/2-inch, so I can offset this line 1/2-inch here as well. And from that, I know this intersection, which is this point. Then I can create a 45-degree line. And again, this doesn't have to be a perfect line. It can be longer or shorter. So this is 2. I'm going to make it 3. So 3 at -45 degree, it will go something like this. And then you can trim it. So you can trim here and here. And then I can trim this as well. Actually, and also this. And then I can use this line and to so I have this line already. I can do the same thing, do the offsets over here, and I can do another offset from the top, 1/2 inch, from here down, 1/2 inch. So go like this, and then from this down, 1 inch. I got this. So I can trim it. I can trim this. And then now I have this line, which is this here. So I get this done, and now I just need this line and that line. This line, basically I can create a line coming from here, drawing all the way down. And then I can have an offset of this line, 0.5-inch offset. So, and then I can trim this. I can trim this, and I can trim this again. And similarly, I can do the rest of this rectangle by offsetting this line 1/2 inch, and then this over 1/2 inch as well. And then I do the 1 inch and 2 inch. So I have a 1 inch line over here, and then 2 inch. Actually, I don't even have to do the 2 inch. I can make an extension or draw a line from this point all the way to here. Then I can trim the rest. And I can delete this line and trim this, and that's how I would do this drawing in AutoCAD.